Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do another Christmas ornament. I liked the first one, but it was a little bit of a mess because of the paints I used. I think it was the white that broke up the neon colors. So I'm gonna try and use a different brand. And I want to do something a little bit darker. So I'm gonna use them straight out of the tube. I'm gonna start, I'm just gonna pour them. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my thinner black on top. Just to have something that will actually flow. Let's see how this one will go. Well, and I'm just getting blobs. I will be right back after I clean up this mess. Okay, let's try this again. I mix them up with some water. Just gonna layer them. So this is my cup. And let's pour. Okay, now I need to be quick. And I'm gonna hang them. So this is how my metallic one is looking. It's so pretty. It's really shiny. It's still gonna drip a lot. I will show you the dry results.